I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Each episode I try to tackle a different term from the world of real estate and explain it to in a way that I hope it's easily understood. Go ahead and subscribe and ring the notifications bell so that you know you're never going to miss an episode. This is episode 69, and we're talking about your FICO score. Your FICO is the Fair Isaac and Company credit score. It's created by an engineer and a mathematician in 1956, and it's a way that we measure consumers' credit worthiness to borrow money. It's a score ranging from the 350 to 850 range, and it's based on 35% of your payment history, 30% of amounts owed, 15% of the length of credit history, 10% on the credit mix, and 10% on new credit. Lenders and banking institutions use that score to determine the likelihood of you being able to pay back a loan or credit. It's possible to be non-scorable if you don't borrow money. You'll need to use a lender that will do manual underwriting at that point. Your needed credit score for a home value varies depending on the type of loan you get and the amount of money that you put down. Expect a range of about 620, but remember that the lower the score, the higher the interest rate. It pays to be credit worthy. If you like these videos, there's more of them, as well as a ton of other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. You can also check me out on Facebook, YouTube, and other social media sites. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay plugged in for everything coming up to you for real estate. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.